Mikey Sklar at Holy Scrap Hot Springs, and today I'm going to show you how we make mozzarella cheese. And we have a really simple recipe we use with very little stuff. So we're going to start with using almost 2 gallons of milk, about 1.5 gallons maybe, just dumping it into a big stainless steel pot. I'll put this milk now on medium heat, and we're going to take it right up to 88 degrees using this little thermometer. We're going to watch it. We're just at that point now where the cheese has hit, the milk has hit a temperature right around 88 degrees. And what I'm going to do is add in a half tablet of rennet that's been diluted in water, a few tablespoons of water. And for the next 2 minutes, I'm just going to slowly, gently stir in the rennet. The milk is right now at 88 degrees, and I've set the temperature here now to alarm us at 105. So we're going to turn the heat back on at medium, and we're going to let the milk rise right up with the rennet now to 105 degrees, and then we're going to go ahead and let the whole pot sit for 20 minutes with no heat. I've just let the cheese and the milk in the pot heat up to 105 degrees. And you can see there's a pretty good looking curd started here, so we're on a good start. Hopefully we won't botch this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a lid on it, if this lid fit. And I'm going to let this cheese sit here now for 20 minutes, start the timer, and then we'll come back to this. Our pot of milk cheese curd has all been sitting here now for about 20 minutes. And I've been careful not to stir it during this time so our curd can really develop. And what I'm going to do right now is pour off the whey. So I'm going to gently just pour off this light clear liquid. Take a nice metal spoon here and start just kind of softly pushing the curd around. Just gently pushing, trying to push out some of that whey from the cheese curd and get it a little bit drier. We have reached the final step here where we have a cheese, where we have used our trusty spoon to push out most of the whey. And over here you can see all the whey we have extracted just by this push method. I don't like using the cheesecloth so much because I find I get a really dry cheese. So through this simple method of making mozzarella, we've tried other methods and they haven't worked for us, using a lot more kneading and salt and boiling water. We've never tried the microwave version, but we find we get a real nice like string cheese once we shred it up, and this is what our final product looks like when we use it on pizzas and other types of dishes, nachos and stuff. So it's a pretty...
This was shredded.
Yeah, this is just a shredded version. And it's been melting for us and working. So this simple technique for making mozzarella has worked for us so far, so we're going to continue with it and see how far we can take it. We have our final mozz product here, just before it's going to go into the refrigerator. We started off with just under 2 gallons of milk, raw milk, and now we have about 1.25 gallons of whey to figure out what to do with. And we probably have over here just a little over 1 pound of cheese. So this is going to be a great mozz for us. Now you might ask, why bother getting this raw milk and going through this process and collecting the whey and making the cheese? But the thing is, I normally am lactose intolerant. I have a hard time digesting cheese, and I find that these raw and pasteurized cheeses are a lot easier on my system and don't give me all the side effects that I get with store-bought. So for me, it's worth not so much the financial incentive, but just to be able to eat cheese again.